For today vlog guys, gonna making pancake made of fresh carrot. You can see here inside this video the steps. Alright, first step is pour in the plain flour inside the mixing large bowl and add the baking powder, cinnamon, nutmeg, mixing well all the dry ingredients. Then as follows the other ingredients. Be sure all the ingredients are completely mixed through, no chunks left. If you're making more than 5 pancakes or many, can mix in blender, makes you easy or faster. And for me, I just do manually because I'm making just few pancakes only. Check the thickness the pancake batter. If you feel it is too thin, add a little more flour. Make them whatever size you wish. Cook until golden brown and cook in medium heat. They will be a beautiful golden brown. Enjoy them with a small amount of pure maple syrup or honey. But for me, I have a twist with a jam blueberries. Jam, amazing. It really great the taste. It works well and not so sweet. Exactly that I wanted is moderate the sweetness. Please consider to subscribe, like, comment, and check the full recipe under the description box below. And become a member to this channel, just check the link below. This is Angie. Thank you guys.